Sukhothai, or literally Dawn of Happiness, was the capital of the Sukhothai Kingdom in the 13th and 14th centuries in north-central Thailand. The historical park today covers 193 ruins on 70 square kilometers, or 27 square miles. Visiting this huge park is best done on a bicycle, and you can rent bicycles just outside of the park entrance. For the inner historic zone, the entrance fee is 200 Thai baht, or if you visit all of the national zones, 400 as a flat rate. And if you bring a bicycle, you have to pay 10 Thai baht in addition. As usual, flying a drone in one of these parks is not allowed, unless you get a permit. For the permit, you have to register at the central office. The park is open daily from 6:30 a.m. until 7:30 p.m., unless on a Saturday where it is open until 9 p.m. So we just got the impossible done. It is a Sunday and we actually got a drone license. So if you want to fly a drone in the historical park, you require a license to do so, like next to the registration insurance. But yeah, we're here on Sunday and of course the office is closed, but some very kind local people helped us still get the license. So now we actually have a license to fly a drone into the park and I'm very happy about it. With your ticket, you will be able to enter and exit the park throughout the day. You can use that to not only explore the inner circles, but also some of the temples nearby. So a few of the temples are outside of the gated and paid area, but yeah, the highlights so far are within it. Still, some smaller ones are still really worth a visit. Like this elephant one here is really beautiful, and this one is outside of the gated area. So all of this is the main complex. It's more or less at the center of the entire area and houses quite a few pagodas, a large number of columns, and quite a few big statues. It's definitely the highlight for me on this entire temple area, and like really impressive. I have to be honest, as beautiful as some of these temples are, my favorite one so far, by far, is this old ruin. If you also want to see all the other temples surrounding the complex, then you can easily spend an entire day here. I don't think we'll have the time for that, but the main attraction is also, I guess, the one here in the center. There's a few really cool smaller ones around that we've seen, but yeah, we didn't have time to go to all of them. So in total, you can easily spend an entire day within this park. A minimum I would say is probably half a day. Bicycles are a great way of getting around. They will help you explore more of the area. Including all the temples on the outskirts, it's going to be impossible to visit them all in a single day. So, if you want to see everything, you have to spend at least a few days here. We sure hope you enjoyed this episode. For now, thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one.